Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sony WF-XB700 wireless earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your Bluetooth, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, they're not responding, anything like that can very often be fixed with this hard reset, especially if you've already tried a soft reset and it didn't fix it. Now you are going to need to set them up again, but that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you're setting them up on a new device and you just want to wipe all of the history off them and reinitialize them to the way they were when they came out of the box, this will do that. All you need to do is take your earbuds in your hand and you're just going to come and simultaneously press both buttons on the earbuds, on each earbud, for about 15 seconds until they start to flash red. Now you want to, and then within 5 seconds of them flashing in red, you just need to then release and just wait a little bit for that reset to complete because it's already been started. And then after about 10 seconds, it should flash in blue, indicating that the reset has been completed. It'll flash 4 times blue, at which point you can delete them off your phone and then go ahead and set them up as a brand new set of earbuds.